TracksPlus skid steer tracks, designed and made by Components Plus in Columbus, Wisconsin. TracksPlus tracks will provide you with superior floatation in the wettest conditions. TracksPlus tracks are the industry's first engineered skid steer tracks. TracksPlus tracks are manufactured using only the highest quality carbon steels. This is power. This is floatation. This is simply not getting stuck. TracksPlus tracks are manufactured completely in the USA. We start by stamping out each piece from US steel. All TracksPlus tracks are then welded in-house by precision state-of-the-art robots. TracksPlus tracks are made from high-carbon steel stampings, heat-treated to give you the hardest, longest wearing material in the industry by using the 3T Plus technology. In any normal skid steer, you pull up to a situation like this and shut the machine off. With TracksPlus tracks, you not only bulldoze through forwards, but can back your way out of any situation you come into. TracksPlus tracks will give you superior wear resistance and improved field life. It would be impossible to drive through this muddy pond without TracksPlus tracks. With the tracks, you have complete control of the machine. Afterwards, clean up the rest of the dirt without tearing up the asphalt in any normal conditions. Look, not a mark. Traction Design bulldozes you through when four wheels can spin you to a stop. This is a bottomless mud situation. With tires, you can't even get into a situation like this, let alone pull something out of this mess. TracksPlus tracks can. Linkage design is built to last. Each link adjustable by 1 inch. With the 3T Plus technology, we make the strongest link in the industry. The bushing-free design with a 5/8 inch shoulder bolt is made in the USA, designed using 3T Plus technology and through hardened to grade 9. Our tracks fit 3 tire sizes: 10 by 16.5, 12 by 16.5, and 14 by 17.5. Before you buy, check your clearances. 2 1/4 inches between the guard and the tire, and 3 inches from the side of your machine to the sidewall of your tires is needed to run the tracks. If you don't have the clearance between the tires and the machine, we have wheel spacers to fit your needs. 1.5-inch 6-lug and 2-inch 8-lug spacers, all studs and nuts included. When buying for a 12x16.5 tire, measure tread for proper fit. If your tread measures up to 11 1/8 inches in width, you'll need the N Series track. And if your tread measures 11 1/4 inches and over, you'll need the B Series track. Installation is easy. Drive onto the track, pull together, and bolt on. You're ready to go. So whether you're on the farm doing chores or on the job site building walls or backfilling basements, TracksPlus Tracks is your best choice for quality and value. TracksPlus. Ask for it by name. Pull up the website, locate a dealer, find your track size, all online at TracksPlus.com. That's www.tracksplus.com. Feel free to call us toll-free, 1-877-260-3178. That's 1-877-260-3178. TracksPlus Tracks. Clearly your best choice for all your needs.